How to buy AI pump token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check TheRichTech's account, as you can see, and keep following their updates about this token and go and engage with their community. They have a big one or big community there. Now, as you can see, in the latest post, they said that this token it's live on trading in KuCoin, Get.io, and Mixi. So if you have one account of this exchange platform, you can buy it from there. For example, if you click on KuCoin, you will be redirected to KuCoin page. Make sure to log into your account. So here you can buy it. You can click on buy, and here you have two options: the limit and the market. In the limit, you can here enter how much you want to buy of that token, and as you can see, after that you can click on buy. And in the market, as you can see, you can set here how much of percentage of USDT you want to buy. For example, 75%, but make sure before to find your account with USDT. After that, you can click on buy and you will buy it in your KuCoin. If you have an account on Get.io, click on Get.io to be able to log into your account and fund your account, of course, with USDT. If you click on buy, you can here enter how much you want to buy of that token. You will see the equivalent of that amount in USDT to be able to pay it. After that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. If you click on market, you can here drag this to set how much of percentage you want to buy of that token. And after that, you can see here the available of USDT that you have. And after that, click on buy and you will buy this token on Get.io. If you have the Mixi account, you can click on it and you will be redirected to your account directly, and make sure to find your account with some USDT to be able to buy this token. Now go here and select the limit, as for example. Now here type how much you want to buy, and you will see the equivalent here of that amount that you enter of AI pump. After that, click on buy and you will buy this token. If you click on market, as you can see, you can drag this to set how much of percentage you want to buy with USDT, and click on buy and you will buy this token. If you want to buy it on your wallets, we have a solution for that. Go to their websites. Now here you will see this token address in the Solana and the Biz Network. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, ARP Solana CI copied to clipboard. Click on OK. Now go and open your wallet, for example, Phantom Wallet. After that, click on swap, and first of all, I will look into my accounts. Now, as you can see, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here, and after that, paste the token address here. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it, and here type how much you want to buy. It's easy and simple. This is how much you will receive. Select the provider, for example, the Phoenix or Radium. Now make sure to read all of that information. Click on swap and you will be redirected to that Phoenix and Radium page providers to be able to buy this token. If you use like Bitget wallet, that kind of wallet that need to add it first, you need to select the Solana from here and click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address from here to be able to find it. As you can see, this is. Now click on this plus icon, go back and find your wallet. So this is it. Now click on it and here click on swap and switch from here and select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT. Now type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, click on buy and you will buy this token. If you want to copy the base token or the token that address that came under the base network, you can copy it the same as the Solana network. Go and open your wallet, and to be able to add it, just go back to your wallet, select the base network from here, switch it to base. Now click on this plus icon, paste the token address. As you can see here, it's easy and simple. So I added before, so for this, just click on this plus icon. Now go back, and after that, search for your token. As you can see, this is it, AI pump. Click on it, and here click on swap and switch from here. Select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC. Make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and of course you will see here how much you want to buy. After that, click on buy and you will buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy the AI pump token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.